It's Tuesday, September 20th, 2022. I'm Ashley Pollard here for today's edition of Tuesday Talk, where we review common real estate and mortgage related topics. Today's topic is, when will the market cool down? And the answer is, it already has. So I have some data from the last year up into August 2022 that supports that the market is in fact cooling. And if you are looking to buy, it's a good time to do so, even with the higher rates. If you financially are prepared, here are some things that are going to make it a better experience for you in this current market. 18.3% of properties in August 2022 had price drops. That was unheard of in 2020 and 2021 because there were so many buyers in the market. Sellers didn't have to drop their price. They were getting exactly what they wanted because most of the time they were getting multiple offers. Unless it's a rehab property or a property that has a lien or a weird situation, sellers were able to get what they wanted. So what that means for you is that you have more negotiating power. If sellers have to drop their prices, that means they're not getting the offers that they expected. And so you might be able to throw in some contingencies that didn't exist before. People were waiving appraisals, people were waiving inspections, people were waiving all sorts of things, not using attorneys. And now with the shift in the market, buyers have the flexibility to have the due diligence that they were forfeiting previously. 57.4% of properties sold below the list price in August 2022. What that means is that, again, sellers are not getting what they want. There's not as many buyers in the market to give them what they want. And when the inspections coming back and the appraisals coming back lower than what the seller expected, you don't really have as many options. So you have to reconsider and lower your price or renegotiate the contract, which is why more homes have sold below list price. Days on market. Days on market is the day you put your property on the market to the day you get a buyer and get under contract. And days on market is up. 28 was the average days on market this time last year, and we are up to about 36 days on market for this year, which means that sellers are not selling their homes as fast, and it's taking a little bit more time, more open houses, more eyes on the properties before they get under contract. So this is less competition for you as a buyer. So even though the interest rates are 5 and 6% and they've been fluctuating every day, you have less competition. So you have to realize you're not going to get something for nothing. When the interest rates were low, so many people could afford homes. Now the interest rates are back at a stable rate. And this is stable because speak to your grandparents. Your grandparents never had 2 or 3% opportunities to buy houses at that interest rate. This is a once in a lifetime experience. So you have to think about what must happen in order for me to get this type of interest rate. We had an entire global pandemic that was not good for anyone, and people were even scared to come out of their homes. So you got to realize, if the interest rates are low, the prices are going to be up here. And if the interest rates are up here, the prices will start to decrease. And you'll start to see homes sitting on the market longer, which is what we are experiencing now. But I will tell you, interest rates going up is a way larger effect than prices going down. It's going to take a huge price reduction to equate to what an interest rate raise of even 1% would be. So it's better to get a decent interest rate now and not wait for a possible 7%, because you could have definitely negotiated a better deal than trying to wait for prices to drop. We can go into more detail about that. I know it wasn't too detailed, but call me and we can talk about that. Lastly, month supply of inventory is up to 2 months. This time last year, we really had like 0 months, but now we have about 2 months supply of inventory. And again, that's because homes are sitting on the market longer because there's less competition and sellers have to, reconsider what they want in this market. If you guys want more information on some actual real life data, please call me. I'm not one to feed into what's in the news or media. I just like to base everything in fact. So if you want to speak facts, call me. I would love to assist you, whether you're buying or selling now or buying or selling in 2 years. I will be here for you, and I hope to be the realtor that you choose. Please like and subscribe my videos on YouTube if you find them to be helpful, and comment with any feedback you have for me and suggestions for video topics. Thanks for tuning in to today's Tuesday Talk. I will see you guys next week. Enjoy your evening.